Hello, good day, everybody. I'm Tony from ScriptsNG, and today we'll be talking about the Givers Forum script. A lot of our customers and clients have been asking us for the Givers Forum clone script in a bid to have a website that works, not just looks like Givers Forum, but works like Givers Forum in lieu of their token system utilization. Because when you go to Givers Forum, you realize that it has this self-sustainability principle. Yeah, this is the Givers Forum website, and the principle works in such a way that the system, they have a token system. Okay, let's check their step-by-step guide on how to participate. Step 1, you register on the Givers Forum website. This is their website address. Then step 2 is, after registration, log into your personal office and ask your sponsor to fund your wallet with GRC. So this GRC is just like a token, like a currency of the website. It could be anything. You could decide to have it as any name on your own website. So the token is meant to be credited to the user's account, and the user uses part of the token to provide help anytime he or she wants to provide help. Now let me cite an example. If I'd like to provide help of, let's say, 20,000 naira, before I can provide that help successfully, I have to have a certain amount as my token. So if I have that certain amount, then I'll be able to provide the help. So it is now left to the owner of the website to decide that, okay, I want to sell the token for, let's say, 1 naira is equals to 1 token. So that means that 20 naira will be equals to 20 token. That means like 1,000 naira will be equals to 1,000 token of your website. So okay, for example, now if the user has 1,000 token, it is for the owner of the website to decide that, okay, I want 100 token to be deducted every time the user PHs. So when 100 token gets deducted when the user PHs, the user will get the rate of investment you have set already. If it were to be 20%, 50%, and what have you, you communicate that with us and we set that for you for the rate on investment. So the user token, the balance gets deducted. When the balance of the token gets deducted, then the user PHs normally, and it goes on like that. So at the moment when the user finishes his or her token, he or she has to contact the system administrator to buy another token in a bid to keep the system running. So that way, the owner of the website would be paid, and the user himself would always want to come back because he or she has paid for the token. So it gives this self-sustainability system, and it makes the website work perfectly. So that is exactly what we have cloned in our script, the Givers Forum script. The demo for the script could be found at logo.org.ng, and this is the website. Investment return, you get 20% return on investment. You can decide to set this to more than 20% as you like. We'll set that for you. Fast and reliable support, live stats. I'll show you the live statistics of all the users registered on this platform from the admin dashboard I'm about to show you. These are the core values, and this is the minimalistic simple website. So now let me log in as the admin. Login. Okay, this is the admin login panel. This is the user login panel, but I'm going to be logging in as the admin. Whose access you're going to have if you get this script installed for you. Login. Now this is the dashboard. On the dashboard, my profile is here, ScriptsNG, account number and account details, everything here. Then this is the dashboard. These are my transactions. No transactions yet, as you can see. This is my dashboard. On my dashboard, there is the referral link to give anybody I want to refer. These are a list of my referrals. You don't have any referral yet. And this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin console. We're coming back there. This is the contact support and log out. So let's go back to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, before I can PH, okay, let's assume I want to PH 10,000 naira now as a normal user. I click on provide help, it will not go through. Your token balance is too low, please fund your account, as you can see. So you have to fund your account, you have to buy token from the admin before you can PH, every time you want to PH. So every time you PH, a certain amount of the token you have bought gets deducted and you can now PH. So when your token finishes, you have to buy another token from the administrator of the system. That way the system keeps going on and the user has this commitment pledge to the system. Now buy token. Okay, contact any of these merchants to buy token. So this is a demo example of the admin's account details. If I contact this phone number and this and send money to this account, then the token will be credited. I'll show you how the admin is going to credit any user with the token from the console. But that is that about buying tokens. So now let's go to the console. Don't forget that the console is a function for only the administrator. For a normal user, the console will not be part of the functions granted to him. So now we are at the console, and as you can see, we can see a live statistics of everything happening in the website. All users at the moment, we have 2 users. This is the admin user and this is the other user. Date of registration, are they active or not? This is the total amount GH, that's the get help total amount. This is the provide help total amount. This is the total tokens that have been sold out from the system, and this is the total GH. Total users 2 and deleted users 0. Now if I'd like to top up, okay, for example, now if this admin demo user has contacted me, clicked on buy token and contacted me to sell, let's say, a token of 1,000 naira to him or her. Okay, he has paid the 1,000 naira to my account as the administrator. So I can now proceed to put his username here. His username is admin demo, and the amount of token is let's say 1,000 naira. I mean, let's say 1,000 token, then 1,000 token. Top up. Success. That means user admin demo has been credited with 1,000 token. Now, as you can see, this is the dashboard of the user named admin demo. He has the 1,000 naira token now. So it is now you as the administrator of the system that will tell us, the web developers, to actually make okay, let's say you want 100 naira to be deducted after every PH request. Okay, let's say you want 1,000 naira to be deducted from the token after every PH request. You tell us that and we will implement that for you. So now the user can proceed to GH. Now let's say he wants to GH 10,000 naira. Okay, let's say he wants to GH 20,000 naira. We have set 20% rate of investment. Rate on investment for this platform. It is flexible. You could change it to 100%, 50%, and what have you. Then it provides the help. So the system is still saying your token balance is too low, please fund your account. So that means the amount of token to be deducted per transaction for this platform has been set to more than 1,000. So let me credit this account with another 9,000 token, and let's see. So to the provide help request, let's say he wants to provide help of 10,000. Provide help. Yeah, the system will match you shortly. So the balance here proud the matching is was 10,050 naira. Now that the PH has gone, 50 naira has been deducted. So that means that it was 50 naira that was actually set, but we can set a minimum and a maximum amount of token you could have before you can PH. So the minimum token you could have before you can PH for this system is 10,000 naira. don't forget that this is flexible. You could decide how much you want to sell 1 naira of your token. You could decide how much you want the system to deduct after each PH, and so on and so forth. All you have to do is to communicate that with us, because this script is exclusive to Scripts-ng, and we are not giving out the script. All we'll do for you is you give us your, after payment, it is cheap, I must confess. After payment, you give us your cPanel details, and we install for you based on your specifications. So based on your specifications, you get exactly what you want. You get the Givers Forum script. Thank you for watching the video, and God bless you.